If you don't want to come to a judgment,
Yeah.
what do? You ask a question, right?
Yeah.
कि भाई क्या चल रहा है तेरे साथ बता
Yeah.
मुझे. Then that guy will say कि भाई ये issue है. Then you won't judge because you have the entire information ना.
Correct.
पूछने के लिए टाइम किसके पास है?
Super.
So the whole point is, if you're not asking, you don't know the entire story. If you don't know the entire story, Mamta, then you're assuming. And every judgment is based on half-baked information and 100% assumption.
Don't we all love the easiest way? The easiest way in a conversation, the easiest way to do anything in life, or the easiest way to be in a relationship. But who are these humans who want to break away from complacence and take the road less traveled? What inspires them? What is their journey? As I get talking with Ayushman Basu in this freewheeling conversation with Unbound with Mamta, there are many layers to human communication, brand communication, and podcasting. So let's get started and unbound together. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
At last.
You're here.
Yes.
From Calcutta.
Like, when I thought I left Delhi 2 years back,
Yeah.
I never thought this will be the reason I'll come back to Delhi.
Yeah.
And this has been a very enriching experience because I never thought that a podcast will bring me back to Delhi.
And
Out of all,
serendipity. I would
it's-
just call it
it's-
serendipity. We connected like about
Yeah.
what, 2 months,
2
one and
months
a half,
back?
2 months
Yeah,
back.
that's it.
You went from here. We caught on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
And here, और उसी दिन तुमने decide कर लिया था. You remember?
Yes, that day only we had a conversation, and that day only we decided that we'll be doing this live. And to be honest, the best thing about this is, right, we had a choice to do this over Zoom as well.
Correct.
I remember the conversation because we all
Correct.
were thinking we can do it remotely.
Correct.
Because we both have been doing remote podcasts, right?
Hmm.
This is the first time I'm doing a video podcast, like, and as I was
Me
saying,
too. That
it's-
makes the two of us.
it's a bit. Sometimes I get a bit nervous.
Yeah.
But I'm just trying to chill right now at this point of time.
Yeah.
Just be open. Just chill. Yeah. It's,
So
it's a good comeback.
What are we doing here? Why are we here? Simple सी बात है कि बड़ा अच्छा दिन है, बड़ी अच्छी शुरुआत है.
Yep.
I have Ayushman with me all the way from Calcutta,
Yep.
and we have also just stepped into our video series,
Yeah.
and
It's a
this
good thing.
is our first in studio podcast.
Yeah,
So
thankful,
super
thankful.
excited. Welcome.
Thank you so much. Actually, we should welcome each other as it's a collaboration. Nobody's
Yes.
anybody's guest.
Nobody's anybody's guest.
We
here.
just we just all chilling today. So I'm not her guest. She ain't my guest. So we're just chilling together.
So let's start with you, na?
Perfect.
शुरू
Yeah.
करते हैं.
Yeah, I mean, I think we're going to talk about, if I remember correctly, we're going to talk about podcasting as to why we are doing this.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, when we think about, we go from only an audio medium to Zoom and to a whole set. So one might think like, okay, why are you doing this? Because it's a growth, right?
Yeah.
Like if I have to speak about myself, it's about the fact that I happen to start loving conversations more right now. I start to value conversations more right now.
Wow.
पहले के दिन में क्या होता था ना कि हम लोग जब बात करते थे normally, just बात कर रहे हैं without understanding exactly what is being said,
Yeah.
about listening and understanding each other, वो तब समझ नहीं था. And during the time of the college, right, उस समय कुछ भी बात हो रहा है, कुछ भी चल रहा है ना, like there is nothing else. But after some time, at least when I say, okay, I'm 31 and I'm gonna say I have aged. When I aged, I feel like I'm understanding people and their conversations much more,
Yeah.
and I started to listen more. And when I started to listen more, I got into podcast
Yeah.
because it's like a one-way through, like where you're listening to other people, maybe for
Absolutely.
half an hour to 1 hour. Then you understand that where the whole insight lies.
Absolutely. I think podcasting, what it's doing to me is very, very therapeutic.
Yeah.
It's very therapeutic, like you said, to listen.
Yeah.
To listen to the other while
Yeah.
you are also listening to your own thoughts.
Yeah.
कि यार अच्छा इसके बाद ये बोलने वाला है अच्छा मेरे साथ भी तो ऐसा हुआ था oh my god he just said it what was there on the tip of my tongue and so many times it has actually brought me to that moment
Right.
where I'm like ये भी तो वही कह रहा है जो मैं सोच रही हूँ
Right.
या इसके साथ भी तो वही हुआ जैसा मेरे साथ हुआ so in a way it has given me that insight that we all are connected
Yeah.
we are
it is.
so connected and it is these invisible threads of thoughts and
Right.
conversations which just have the ability and power to bring us together so much more. So I'm so happy, so excited, and so glad that you
Yeah.
agreed to do
Yeah,
this.
yeah,
And
I mean,
and we are with the flow, people. We are
yeah.
today, no agenda, nothing.
No agenda today. It's about like, I think you see, I love the word that you brought up right now. It's called connection, right? Because that's like in my podcast, which is called
Yeah.
Care to Connect.
Correct.
So the whole point is when we speak about connection, right? It's not only about having one conversation with anybody. Yeah, you can have good conversations from time to time. But the point is when you think about like the connectedness between two people, think about this happening right now at this point in time. It's a big thing, right? Like flew from Calcutta. You came from your busy schedule to do this. Like we have all worked towards this whole point of time.
Absolutely.
This has happened from one conversation. So think about if all of us can connect in the way we connected, I think maybe 2 months back without knowing each
Yeah,
other
yeah,
at all, I
yeah,
guess.
yeah, totally.
Although we are in the same industry, but we did not know
yeah,
each other
yeah,
personally.
Yeah.
But
It was just that one DM on LinkedIn.
one day, right? Because and the thing is, that's where trust builds also. Because
Yeah.
one conversation might not be enough to build trust, as people say.
Hmm.
But that's the power of a connection, that if you do have a good conversation, you can build that trust to do something like this
Hmm.
at just one go.
Yeah. And I would add to that, देखो कॉन्वर्सेशन करना एक बात है. आप मुझसे पूछें
Yeah.
दिन कैसा चल रहा है, हवा कैसी लग रही है, पानी बहुत गिर रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है. और एक होता है कि बहुत ही इंटेंटफुल और इन्वेस्टेड कॉन्वर्सेशन. You know, I think whatever that one conversation, that 35-40 minute conversation we had after our LinkedIn Connect,
Yeah.
that was just,
Yeah.
that just turned it around for us, right?
Some people have told me this is weird about me, but I don't know if it's weird, but I do this. If I have to do something with somebody, maybe a collaboration or maybe something possibly that if I share an idea with somebody, if my first conversation is over a chat or maybe on a phone call, I tell them ki I need to see you.
Ah, interesting.
I just say it like this.
Uh-huh.
Ki if it's somebody, man, let's meet. I want to see you once. I have no agenda on the day when I'm seeing that person, but I just want to see them. I think that visual connect sometimes for me, it works wonders in terms of actually going on to build a trust.
Yeah.
Think about the fact that we also had a video call that day.
Yeah.
We could have done the same call even on phone. Right?
Yeah.
In a way.
देखो ये तुम्हारी सेंसिटिव परसेप्शंस हो सकती हैं.
Yeah.
ऑनेस्टली
Yeah,
आयुष्मान,
मेरा-
मेरे लिए
हाँ.
तो वो है कि अगर आपने
हाँ.
पहला मैंने वो बंदे की साउंड,
हाँ.
आवाज सुन
Point,
ली ना, एक
point.
टैंजिबल,
Yeah.
यू नो, कॉन्वर्सेशन आपके साथ चैटिंग कोई चैटबॉट भी कर रहा हो सकता है.
Exactly.
Right?
Chat might not be the
so
enough. Yeah.
I think when that authenticity
Yeah.
of a human comes through the vocal cords,
Yeah.
as they say,
Yeah.
I think it just kind of strikes something within me that, okay, whether I will go forward or
Yes.
I may go forward or I certainly won't go
Exactly.
forward.
As you spoke about voice here, right?
Yeah.
That's what is very important about podcast, because
Podcast.
podcasting taught me about tone. Because your tone gives off an energy. If somebody is speaking in a very dry tone, supposedly in any conversation, you will feel this guy is not interested.
Yeah.
But if somebody has a vibrant tone
Yeah.
and they go up and then go down,
Yeah.
you feel, you know what? Whatever he's saying, jo bhi content ho, but banda excited hai.
Yeah. True.
Okay?
True.
They
so
are there.
true,
They
so
are
true.
there. They are invested in some form or the other.
Correct.
What is it? I don't care about your content all the time. I care more if you're invested or not.
Absolutely.
At that very point of time. Hence, so like one of the best things about podcasting, it really taught me tone in a conversation.
Yeah.
How do I vary my tone with
Yeah.
somebody? How
Yeah.
do I even, if I have to even convince you towards something, my tone should be in a certain way to even convince you or influence
Yeah.
you.
भाई ये तो तुम्हारी ना, ये तुम्हारी वो पेडिग्री है ट्रेनिंग की, you know, maybe some point, but what you're saying, I resonate with it
Yeah.
because you know, during my journey as a communicator, as somebody who has mentored and taught and done a lot of things,
Yeah.
this is exactly what we talk about in non-verbal communication,
Yeah.
or you know, a communication which is not meant to communicate, but meant to still give out some signals which are
Exactly.
supposed to be picked up.
Exactly.
So it's just that frequency sometimes.
Exactly.
You know,
Exactly.
going up and down. It's just that frequency that क्या हाल है और क्या हाल है, ठीक है.
sets-
You know,
it
it's
sets
just
the entire
conversation.
Like
Correct.
I read this somewhere, I
Correct.
think recently, like communication is, I guess, 80% to 90% tone, and maybe like the last 10% is the content. Because whatever you are saying, even if it is something very good, very insightful,
Yeah.
but if your tone is wrong, the whole thing goes for a toss. Nobody will listen to you, even if you are the biggest guy or the like the बहुत हाई फंडू बंदा हो आप, कोई नहीं सुनने वाला आपको. अगर आपका टोन अच्छा है ना, आप जितना भी बेकार बको आप लोगों एटलीस्ट लोग सुनेंगे, वो लोग सुनेंगे.
True.
चाहे उसमें कुछ भी इनसाइड ना हो आपका, बट लोग सुनेंगे. So it's a very interesting thing when I
Yeah.
think about podcasting as we are doing this together. I feel like even our tones when we speak to each other, it has that level of engagement. And without engagement,
Yeah, and I think that true, honest, sincere investment, क्योंकि टोन आती कहाँ से है? Let's say अगर हम उसकी डेप्थ में एक स्टेप पीछे जाऊं, कि टोन आती कहाँ से? टोन मेरे इमोशन से आ रही है ना? राइट. तो इमोशन क्या है? मेरी फीलिंग है. सो देयर इज जस्ट सो मच मोर डेप्थ टू मी हु इज इन्वेस्टेड इन दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन. इट्स ऑल नॉट सेरिब्रल. राइट. इट्स नॉट ऑल अबाउट कि अच्छा इसका कंक्लूजन क्या निकालना है, ये कॉन्वर्सेशन कहाँ जानी चाहिए. फॉर दैट मैटर ह्यूमर.
Yeah.
They say more than the humor that is said or spoken is all in the pauses.
Yeah, it's in the pauses.
It's in the pauses.
Right.
So yeah, very well said. I think
even in the conversation part, if you have a conversation, right, one of the biggest things which I feel, which again, podcasting taught me, and I try to do it myself, not only during a podcast but also in my regular conversations, is like it's picking up the cues. If you speak about something, like I was having a conversation with my grandfather one day, right? He was speaking about his old wartime stories when he was in the army back in the Air Force, right? How will I link to that, right? I was not from that era. That's not my topic, but he was speaking to me. I could pick up one instance and I related with like a quote or something which I read one day on wartime, and then I could have a conversation with him on Air Force, defense and all that for 2 hours. The thing is, even if there is a generation gap, even if there is a gap between age or gender, whatever gap there is, you can merge it. You can actually, in a conversation, you can build it if you can pick up the cues.
Correct.
Which podcasting has really taught me.
Wow.
That how can you pick up that cue from the other
That
person
thread.
and then thread and then you continue along that path.
And I think what you're saying, इसका एक और पार्ट ये है कि टाइम. जो हम हमेशा, क्योंकि इतना हम स्नैकी जनरेशन हो गए हैं कि हमको सब कुछ ऑन द गो, फटाफट से मैसेज कर दो, एक और कुछ नहीं तो वॉइस मैसेज, टेक्स्ट मैसेज कर दो, चैट कर लो. तो वी डोंट वांट टू इन्वेस्ट सो मच टाइम. मेरे लिए पॉडकास्ट की जर्नी जो है ना, वो not as a medium podcast, but as a medium that is audio, is back in the day. It's back in the day. Like what you said, 7 minute ka music and all of that. If I go back in my 80s and 90s, when we were very, very young children, and we would stay at home during summer vacations, or both my parents were working. So ये एक आदत है, और ये एक आदत ही डली. It is a habit that got formed, that my father is like an avid music listener and an avid movie goer, and he's always consumed cinema and entertainment, live theater, very, very lively and very connected to culture in that sense. तो उन्होंने हमारे घर में एक आदत रेडियो सुनने की तो सबको थी उस जनरेशन में, बिकॉज इट वाज सच अ मीडियम इट विल ऑलवेज कीप यू एंटरटेन्ड, और किसी के घर में ना होने की कमी को भी वो पूरा कर देता था कि यू आर नॉट अलोन. सो मी एंड माय सिस्टर इनवेरिएबली ड्यूरिंग वेकेशन, समर वेकेशंस, वी वुड बी एट होम, स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन, बट वो सुबह से जो रेडियो लगा हुआ है, दैट विल कैरी अस थ्रू द डे.
इट इज अमेजिंग. व्हाट आई थिंक इज दैट what you said about subconscious, and you spoke about your childhood here, right, where you spoke about radio. When I relate to that is that my journey into podcasting was so different, because I don't have a very glad memory of starting podcasting. I'll tell you why. When I was born in 1992, so I did not have that much of a radio experience. तब तक मोबाइल का आ चुका था. उस समय रेडियो का उतना नहीं था. टेलीविजन टीवी आ चुका था. So audio visual was the main frame. It started to come in by that time. So radio chala gaya.
MTV generation.
For us it's like MTV channel we all these people these were who grew up on. So सिर्फ listening का फंडा हमारे में था ही नहीं. Right? Point. Now when you go forward, like in 2004 Facebook came. So you go into social media, and then the whole, so we started with audio visual at the get-go. So I did not have an experience of listening only
Correct.
like you did. Although ठीक है, मैं म्यूजिक सुनता था, पर वो पॉडकास्ट सुनने जैसा तो है नहीं,
Yeah.
वो अलग था.
Yeah.
What happened with me is this: after a point of time, I heard my first podcast in 2011 or 12, I think, to understand what exactly it is. I just saw an interview. I just heard an interview. Sorry, I didn't see it. It was an only audio podcast. Now, what I loved about it is it gave my eyes a bit of peace. That I did not have to see something to engage myself in a content.
Yeah.
What happened with me was I was into social media so much. I was on my phone, on my short videos or audio visuals so much that my eyes began to pain after some time because I was having such a long screen time because of work or even my studies.
Yeah.
What happened with me is that, one day I just heard an interview and I just laid on my bed and I was just chilling to that interview. And then I realized that I can just not see anything. My eyes are getting rest and I'm still being engaged with the content.
Yeah.
That was it. So podcast was a digital detox for me,
Wow.
in a way. I started to spend time with podcasting just because I wanted to get out of an audio visual format. Audio फिर भी चल रहा है, but visual format से मुझे बाहर होना था. So it was a detox for me. So when I started detoxing, and then I saw that yes, this is equally engaging,
Yeah.
but it is not hurting my eyes all the time.
Yeah.
I started to love it more. It has that right amount of balance
Yeah.
between rich and between rich content, plus also it gives you the ability to concentrate more on something because not
Yeah.
seeing anything.
Yeah.
To see something, you need less concentration because the screen takes your time.
जो मुझे मेरे लिए पर्सनली एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है कि मुझे लगता है कि ऑडियो में ना काफ़ी सारे एज हैं, अटेंटिवनेस है,
Yeah.
आइज हैं, इंटेंशन है, इंटीमेसी है, एक अलग लेवल का इंक्लूजन है. और ऑडियो
Yeah.
मीडियम जो है आपको सबको बहुत इंक्लूसिव बना देती है.
Yeah.
अगर एक चीज़ कहीं चल रही है और अगर
Yeah.
मैं उससे रेजोनेट कर रही हूँ, कोई और भी कर रहा है, तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमको 3 अलग स्क्रीन्स पे या
Right.
3 अलग मीडियम्स पे उसको
Right.
सुनना है.
Yeah.
वी ऑल कैन बॉन्ड ओवर अ वेरी गुड ऑडियो
Yeah.
पीस. You know how people bond over music?
Yeah.
Why
Because
is
all of you are listening.
listening,
All of
right?
you are listening, yeah.
So I think those eyes, those important eyes, it kind of caters to very beautifully. मैंने जब स्टेप बैक लिया और ये समझना कोशिश किया कि यार पॉडकास्ट क्यों, या पॉडकास्ट पे क्या करेंगे.
हाँ.
सो मेरे लिए ये भी इंक्वायरी थी दैट एज अ कम्युनिकेटर व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इन लाइफ.
Right.
Right. कि मैंने इतना कंटेंट, इतना प्रेस रिलीजेस, इतने आर्टिकल्स, सब कुछ लिखा, सब कुछ किया, ब्रांड्स के लिए किया, क्लाइंट्स के लिए किया. बट एज एन इंडिपेंडेंट क्रिएटर,
Yeah.
am I leaving any footprint of my thoughts,
Exactly.
my ideas?
Yeah.
Is there any originality to that?
Right.
And अगर उसमें मैं वो create कर सकती हूँ, and in my
Right.
favorite platform,
Yeah.
then why not do that? And if I will not do it anyway, who's gonna
Who's
do
gonna
that?
do it, right?
So a lot of conversations that get unsaid, a lot
Exactly.
of viewpoints जो हम कभी देखना ही नहीं चाहते हैं. मेरे लिए वही था कि अनबाउंड जब मैं शुरू करूँगी, या जो भी पॉडकास्ट का नाम होगा, अनबाउंड हुआ, कि उसमें क्या मैं डालूंगी, what is that? So it was all about relevant conversations,
Relevant
and I call that like #relevant conversation,
Right.
something under which I create a
Yeah.
lot of these
Yeah.
meaningful discussions. Now it could be about abuse, it could be
Yeah.
about divorce, it could
Yeah,
be about
yeah.
some challenge, it could be about a mental health issue, it could be any tabooed subject, anything
yeah.
that you want to talk, and where you don't want to be the face to your voice.
Yeah, true.
You
Yeah,
want
it
that
can be.
intimacy,
Yeah.
you want that inclusion, but you also do not want to come up front,
Yeah.
because of the
Yeah.
social tags around
Yeah.
that. I think audio came upon as a very, very safe space of storytelling for me.
When
Yeah.
you speak about safe spaces, right?
Yeah.
Because this is something which I really value. Think about this conversation we are having right now.
Yeah.
There are very less chances of us having this conversation outside this circle. Here
Correct.
outside. ज़्यादा time हमें नहीं, like first of all we don't have much time. Secondly, even if we have time, we are too distracted outside to have this conversation. Podcast sometimes gives us that what exactly a conversation looks like. This should normally, for me at least, this should be a normalcy outside. this shouldn't only happen in here, right? The point is, what I feel that what podcasts are doing, or they're at least trying to do, at least for me it did, is to actually show me what a conversation looks and sounds like.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Because by that time I did not even know कि मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, conversation क्या है.
Yeah.
It's like for me it was only a ideation or a concept which I was reading on maybe a dictionary or something. Okay, two people speaking, but what does it entail? पहले पता ही नहीं था ना. In my college days or in my school days, बात तो बहुत करते थे बात,
Yeah.
but conversation नहीं किया. It's a very subtle difference that you talk and you converse. There's a different word for it.
Correct.
One is just simple talking. Bang, opposite, done, blah, 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 done, finished. No insight, no nothing. If you ask me about that conversation, what I did, I won't even remember that. क्योंकि ऐसे बात करी कि याद ही नहीं है. उसने क्या बात करी, मैंने क्या सुना, कुछ नहीं हुआ. What is a conversation that you remember it even after you have it? That's what podcast does for me.
Yeah.
That after I hear a podcast, I think about it for 2 hours. I'm like, क्या बोला इस बंदे ने? Is there some insight to this? So for me, this should be a normalcy which I try to replicate outside also, the studio or my Zoom calls, wherever I do it.
Correct.
It has taught me what is the meaning of a conversation, in a way. So, a safe space, right, as you said. Again, for Care to Connect, which I do, in my own sense, it was always about kind of building a connection because I felt one point of time in my life. What one point of time? Maybe 3 years back only I felt this, not one
I
point.
think COVID triggered a lot of it.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, 3 years पहले ही मैंने इसको समझा कि ना, I have a lot of people around me, but I have really less connections. Maybe a handful, in a way. So the thing is, in my 28 years of life, or maybe nearing 30 by that time, what really did I talk about?
Wow.
I had this whole thing like, मैंने क्या बोला अभी तक? Because when I really started to think about the connections I built, it was only a handful of people. I was like, फिर क्या फायदा? मतलब, if you're a communication, I was in communication. तू अगर communicator है, मैं अपने आप को बोल रहा था, then why do you have so less deep connections with people? I'm like, that's a very sad thing. Then what did you speak till now?
Yeah. What has your
What-
existence?
what did you talk
your,
about?
Your words. What meanings? What is that
Yeah,
you've created?
yeah.
Oh, wow.
I started Care to Connect is to also understand that at least I want to be involved with some people
Right.
on the other side of the spectrum. It's not even about me in this case. It's about who will come to me
Yeah.
where I can get a sense of connection from them. Because I was feeling a lack of it in my life by that time.
I think you've brought the conversation to a very beautiful point because मेरे लिए एक और चीज़ थी और शायद ये इससे connected भी हो सकती
Yeah.
है. I think it was all about judgment also for me.
Yeah, it
You know,
is, it is.
I had been restraining myself and restricting myself in my conversations or my relationship with people
Right.
because there's always been that fear. क्या ये मुझे समझ रहे हैं? ये कहीं गलत तो नहीं समझ रहे हैं? Am I giving the right signals? I hope they don't pick this from there and then put 2 plus 2. Like typically
Right.
how it is, like a
Right.
human behavior.
Right.
And even though I'm into a subject and a field and a practice which is PR and which is all about reaching out, communicating, talking,
Right,
expressing
right,
yourself,
right.
I would always be a step back, you know.
Right.
I would not play it all out
No,
of that fear.
no.
And I think what podcast is doing day by day, episode by episode, conversation by conversation is
yeah.
really plucking those threads out of my
Peeling the
system.
onions, actually, peeling the
it
onions
is
off.
layer by
Yeah,
layer, it's
yeah.
unlayering that actually वो शायद problem या वो fear शायद मेरा नहीं है. It's a very collective consciousness.
Yeah.
People do not come out all bare and unfiltered because they are scared, because they do not know how will this land on others.
Right. And here, if like when you speak about judgment, I heard a very beautiful thing. I did a podcast with like the influencer, like Varun Duggirala. He was in my second season. We were talking about all this, and you know how his content is also very beautiful content he does
Yeah.
also. He spoke of, so we were speaking about judgment there.
Yeah.
And he said a very beautiful thing. He said that we are not actually fearing judgment, rather than we are actually getting more feared about who is judging us.
Yeah, yeah.
जजमेंट का ज्यादा डर है rather than एग्जैक्टली सोचना कि क्या बोलेंगे हम पे, उतना उसका फर्क भी नहीं है कि हो रहा है ना जजमेंट अपने पे, उसका डर ज्यादा है. So the thing is like it is a very balanced distinction about
Yeah.
what the fear lies. Ki what did you say it is not matters to me because I won't care. I will not care what you say to me, but you're actually judging me. Your action of your judgment towards me, that is what bothers me a lot.
Yeah. Because who are you in relation to
Yes,
me, right?
yes.
It
and
all comes down
again,
to that. Yeah.
here also and again I'll tell you, it's a very difficult thing to be on reply because I've seen this in India. It is very easy. We come to judgments very
Yeah.
easily, without even knowing what is going on. Because again, here, when you spoke about time, if you don't want to come to a judgment,
Yeah.
what do? You ask a question, right?
Yeah.
कि भाई क्या चल रहा है तेरे साथ, बता
Yeah.
मेरे. Then that guy will say कि भाई ये issue है. Then you won't judge because you have the entire information ना.
Correct.
पूछने के लिए time किसके पास है?
Super.
So the whole point is, if you're not asking, you don't know the entire story. If you don't know the entire story, Mamta, then you're assuming. And every judgment is based on half-baked information and 100% assumption.
Super.
So like, where do you go? So that's again, if you talk about podcasting, if you talk about this,
Yeah.
it has gotten rid of my assumption as well. I rarely work on assumptions these days in a way. I just don't. If I feel there is an assumption, of course I assume because I am human. Assume hota hai, that's a normal thing. We all judge.
Yeah.
बट उसका परसेंटेज बहुत कम हो गया है. जितना मैं पहले करता था उससे बहुत कम हो गया.
और ये कोई कोइंसिडेंस नहीं है, you know, कि मैं आपसे शायद जिंदगी में पहली बार मिल रही हूँ.
Yeah,
right?
first time.
Like
Yeah,
first time in
physically,
person,
yeah.
physically. और ये कॉन्वर्सेशन कितनी फ्री फ्लोइंग है.
Yeah, it is quite, yeah.
राइट, बट ये कॉन्वर्सेशन भी करने के लिए
Yeah.
in our outside, in our normal lives, how much intentful are we or how much invested are we? And if we are not, which mostly
Right.
we are not,
Right.
तो फिर judgment तो होगी.
Which is more surprising here, I'll tell you. The conversations I'm having with you today, with somebody who I just met. Maybe 2 hours
Yeah,
back.
yeah.
I am having conversations with you on topics which I don't have with my, some of my closest people.
True.
So, where does your relation lie? Where is the investment? So, you begin to ask now, who is really invested?
Yeah.
Right? If somebody new is talking about, assumptions, judgments, these kind of very deep-seated topics, preachy topics
like,
apparently, maybe
बस
बस
करो.
करो. घर पे ही बोलते हैं बस करो. So the thing is when you...
बता दो खाने में क्या खाना है.
हाँ, right then topic change. Point है.
True.
So the thing is, you can sometimes, it's very interesting when I think about connections.
Right.
You can connect with an unknown person
More
so
deeply.
beautifully,
Yeah.
so deeply, rather than somebody you have known all your life. How do you do it? Now, this is where I try to lie my podcast on. That I speak with people who I just don't know. I don't know them well enough. Of course, I met them for a podcast and I do उतना तो पता है, ठीक है. But थोड़ी ना इतना जानते हैं कि we will be speaking about such, like maybe such intimate or such deep topics. No. But we freewheel it into a conversation and we just connect for that 45 minutes or 30 minutes.
Correct.
That connection I don't have in my personal life with many people.
Yeah.
You don't. You just don't. You don't have that space. Because again, society and judgments, everybody is in that cage, right?
Yeah.
Nobody will be breaking free very
Breaking
easily.
free,
No,
yeah.
they can't, and I can't blame them as well. I'm not saying I'm not saying the other person is bad or good or anything. Nobody is bad. Nobody is good. Also, everybody is managing their own stuff. But that's the beauty of a podcast, that you have somebody who is new,
Yeah.
and with them you can share for
Share.
1 hour at least very deep and intimate topics, which is very difficult to speak outside.
Correct.
So yeah, I mean.
Correct. So I think that's where the whole beauty of the format lies.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
know, the medium lies.
Yeah.
That it allows you so much. It
Yeah.
allows you to break so much of barriers.
Right.
क्योंकि democratic है. मेरा
Yeah.
point of view मेरा point of view हो
Yeah.
सकता है.
Yeah.
मैं अपने तरीके से उसको एक्सप्रेस कर सकती हूँ. मुझे किसी फॉर्मेट में फिट इन नहीं होना है. मेरी आवाज़ है, मेरा, आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स व्हाइल as a professional podcaster you'll always want to keep upping your game,
Yeah, of course.
but at least to come with your thoughts, with your ideas, and just come totally unfiltered. So it allows a lot.
A
It's
space.
very embracing. It's
Yeah.
very allowing. It'll let you flow, and that's where even the narrative for the brands fit in.
Yeah, true.
You know, for me, again, personally, going back to a few examples, the kind of campaigns that we have done or clients that we have worked with, podcast just so beautifully fits into the stories of the
Yeah.
people, and then makes it so tangible and obvious कि हाँ
Right.
ये brand का message हो
Right.
सकता था.
Yeah.
You know.
I mean, like when I think about brand messaging, right? When I'm seeing, I'm not gonna talk from the point of view of somebody. I used to work in an agency.
Yeah.
But मैं इस podcast में I'm not talking as
Yeah.
an agency professional.
Yeah.
I'm speaking as somebody who is also consuming a brand, like a brand content
Yeah.
on social media.
Yeah,
As a
yeah.
consumer,
As
I'll
a
speak,
consumer,
right?
yeah.
When I see that now, right, at this point of time, every brand wants to get to know you as a person as well. You see, whenever you are seeing a bit of content, everything is getting tracked. Every
Yeah, yeah.
brand is coming back to you with a certain product. And the way it comes to you on those channels where it is coming to you, those are heavily personalized. They know that you're already there. And the fact is that one of the beautiful things what I have always seen about this brand thing is, if you see the Cannes winners, right, nowadays, everything is laden with a message. Right? Everything has a very beautiful message at the end. It is not that out and out only advertising tactic which was happening back in
Back
the day. It
then,
was not
yeah.
that. It's not that. Because now, the whole narrative is something, if you think about the people, they're always voicing their opinions on something or the other, be it political, be it social. Everybody has their own thing that they're speaking about. Because again, content is not democratized. Facebook वगैरह पे आप अपना status वगैरह आराम से छाप सकते हो. Brands are seeing those. What are you concerned about? What are those issues you talk about? They come to you with that intent also. And they're speaking about that. They're trying to
Yeah.
relate with you through that subject.
Yeah.
So basically, सिर्फ आपको उनका सर्विस या उनका जो प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस नहीं बेच रहे, they are trying to get you to be a loyalist as well. Like
Yeah.
if you think about an Apple ad.
Yeah. Or a
पहले-
brand advocate.
Brand ad advocate.
Advocate.
आप अगर एप्पल का ही देख लीजिए, एप्पल के ad पहले दिन से ही, it was so heavily inundated with a message. It had a very beautiful, first of all, their ads are very beautiful, but the way they showcase the ad, the way how an Apple product fits into your life, कोई नहीं देखता कैसा लैपटॉप है एप्पल का. एप्पल है मेरे पास, that's it. They just speak about that कि मेरे पास है, that they have become, your consumer becomes the advocate for your brand.
Absolutely.
That's it.
Absolutely. Interesting. I've just done a series of posts on brand advocacy and customer loyalty just on this, like last 2 days on my LinkedIn, that how heavy promotions and marketing, all of that given or keeping aside, you still can weave in the narrative so beautifully just with that storytelling and commitment. कि
Yeah.
यार इसके लिए हम खड़े होते हैं, ये ही हमारा स्टैंड है. तो अगर मैं एक ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट हूँ,
Right.
for example, and because I've worked on this campaign and it comes very close from the heart, it's a product of really feeling part of the lives of acid attack survivors, which I did, that if I am a beauty product and there's nothing I can do to make them look like how they used to look from the outward beauty and stance point of view. But if I am a beauty product who looks into
Right.
beauty that is skin deep,
Right.
who looks into the beauty of the human and just not the skincare, then do I have a message
Right.
which can be told through a story?
Right. As you speak about this product, I remember this Dove ad, if you remember,
Yes,
during the
yes,
COVID time,
yes.
where they took the faces when the masks of the doctors were opened and their face were all covered, sweat, and the mask ka jo pura line, ekdam
Yeah.
lakeer aa gaye the skin pe.
Yeah.
And then they had a tagline, like maybe I don't remember, it's like the real heroes or something.
Yeah.
Dove had that wonderful campaign, right?
Yeah.
So when you think about that kind of a stance which are like which they are taking, it's a beautiful way to kind of also
Yes.
integrate yourself into the current scenario of what the people are facing, right?
Absolutely.
Because you can't be averse, which is like if you think about keywords like maybe empathy, just saying, this came in the COVID time the most.
Absolutely.
Whenever you think, even if there were
Empathetic leadership.
peer-
We never heard this.
PR pitches,
Haan.
right? they started to change during this time. Whenever we sat
Yeah.
with a client or whenever we sat with any PR agency also,
Yeah.
empathetic, like, communication. We should be caring about our people. The whole people-centric thing came again, back again.
Yeah.
Now, I don't know whether the fact is still there or not. That, like, that's the thing.
Yeah.
Where these things should be all the time. I don't know whether there it is still there or not. How will this continue? I do feel like it has again lost a sense of thing, because after the whole COVID thing went out, you're seeing empathy वगैरह थोड़ा कम हो रहा है LinkedIn पे बात करना, क्योंकि ये सब बहुत चल रहा था
It
during the
was
COVID
trending
time.
topic.
LinkedIn पे आपका जो वो साइड में दिखाता है ना क्या ट्रेंडिंग हो रहा है,
Yeah.
उस समय लीडरशिप स्किल्स एम्पैथी बहुत चल रहा था उस
Yeah.
समय.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be an only COVID centric thing. First of all, which I questioned also at like maybe at the point of time, because I really like also exploring these themes of empathy and all this normally also. Again, human connection, right?
Yeah,
अच्छा empathy के बिना क्या ही connection है? Anyway, but ऐसा होता है ना कि like, why did it take for a pandemic
To hit that spot
to
with you.
talk about
Yeah.
this?
Yeah.
Because there has been enough examples of workplace toxicity, maybe like gender bias, right? Like, how many, like, all these kind of topics were there for a long time. People have been speaking for a long time. But फिर एक pandemic के समय थोड़ा pandering क्यों करना है तुमको फिर इसको लेके? Why does it have to be empathy be a keyword during pandemic? That is a very concerning point which I had to be honest.
Yeah. And I think I found my meaning in podcasts with that, because when I got talking to a lot of these leaders, a lot of
Yeah.
these change makers, a lot of these coaches, mentors, athletes, everyone has come
Yeah.
to Unbound.
Yeah.
That's where it hit a point
Yeah.
that even they can be vulnerable.
Yeah.
Everybody goes through that part in their life, as much as we like to, or we courageously come up to talk about it or own up to it or not.
Yeah.
Because everybody is that on the same level and pedestal when it comes to being a human,
Right.
at the level of being human.
Right. Right.
And that kind of stuck the point
Yeah.
with all of them, with our audiences, with the guests who would come on the show. And I
Right.
would always have them talk about that part that they fear, the fear of the loss, the failures, the challenges, everything that makes them and puts them at that pedestal of being a human.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
to be honest, like, I feel like, okay, even if you take brand communication, even if you take personal communication, if you have to hit a mark, you have to be vulnerable in some sense or the other.
I think authentic,
Authentic,
right? Very
but I
authentic.
feel vulnerability is a very big part of being authentic.
Authentic, yeah.
Because again, आप एक चीज सोचिए ना, सिंपल में
Yeah.
बता रहा हूँ, अगर authentic होना है, I will be speaking about my low points and high points as well.
Correct.
Nobody is only if you speak only in a conversation, think about a conversation with your friend where you're being your authentic self. आप कभी authentic बन पाओगे only if you talk about your success and the braggadocio that you have. कभी नहीं हो पाएगा.
Correct.
Authenticity has to, like, authenticity always breeds vulnerability.
Yeah.
Without vulnerability, without showcasing, even in terms of storytelling,
Yeah.
think about every Bollywood movie. It's a form of storytelling, right? Like, so there is this theory called the hero's journey. It's a method of storytelling. That hero आता है, there has to be a vulnerable point in the hero's story.
Yeah.
That either he's lost the love of his life,
Yeah.
or his dad or the parents got killed. Then he comes back up. Then he does what is unthinkable. That is why the story is good. Storytelling में ही vulnerability is there.
Yeah.
Hence, it makes it as authentic as it can be.
As it can be, yeah.
So, authenticity may be, vulnerability is imbibed into, otherwise, I'm not being authentic.
Correct.
If I only speak about here, also in conversation, about my high points in life, am I authentic? I'm not. Because I've faced enough failures which has helped me reach those high points in life. But I'm not giving you that lower end, but I'm only talking about that higher end of my life. Then the authenticity does not work out.
Correct.
Which again, podcast has given me, podcasting, or to be honest, when I started to understand conversations, conversations gave me the power to be authentic.
Right.
Because otherwise, even if I'm trying to connect with somebody unknown in a podcast, maybe for half an hour, I can't be authentic with them. If I don't share myself. मान लीजिए कि अगर शायद से मैंने podcast में share नहीं करा अपने failures के बारे में, where I give them the space to speak more.
Yeah.
But to bring them to my podcast, when I have that pre-chat,
Correct.
I have to also bring out my vulnerability
Yeah.
in that conversation,
Yeah.
so that they know that this guy is at least genuine.
Yeah.
That's it. इसके साथ बात कर सकते हैं. क्या बात कर सकते हैं वो अलग बात है. बात कर सकते हैं.
तो इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट है कि एक जगह है जहाँ पे हम फियर कर रहे हैं कि या मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा जज किया जाएगा, और दूसरी जगह है जहाँ हम ओन अप कर रहे हैं कि या अगर मैं वल्नरेबिलिटी के साथ और अपने लो पॉइंट्स के साथ अपने आप को आउट देयर नहीं रखूंगी तो एनीवे कोई ऑथेंटिक कॉन्वर्सेशन
Yeah,
नहीं हो सकती है.
yeah.
So these are, I think, as humans we are also split into these two ends all the time, and that's the reason we are always being very cautious. कितना बताऊं, कितना कहूं, इसको ये बताना चाहिए इस एस्पेक्ट के बारे में.
Yes.
And so putting that judgment on yourself actually
Yeah,
back
yeah.
then.
There has to be, although to be honest, I'll give you a, maybe I don't want to play I don't want to play maybe a devil's advocate here, but I'll just say, but still, I do feel not every information is for everyone
Right.
sometimes,
Yeah.
because it can play out bad as well.
Yeah.
Yes, be free, be vulnerable. I have this bad habit of, like my parents say that, like you always, like sometimes na you speak a lot. Don't do that.
Haven't we all heard that?
Right? And in school, to be honest, I remember I got a grade D. D means poor grade in behavior, because I used to speak too much in class. Now that became my life after that. The thing is, I do feel that sometimes we do need to understand kisko kya batana chahiye, because not everybody will be respectful of the information that you give
That
them.
you're sharing. Yeah.
Not everyone will value it. Right? So there has to be a bit, but yes, it should not come at the cost of your authenticity.
Correct.
That's the thing. Yes, you can be diplomatic, but I don't feel being diplomatic is also inauthentic. It's not. I feel you are being very measured there. I feel that's intelligent. One should be that way in a way.
Yeah.
But that shouldn't be at the cost of me being authentic or being double-sided to everybody. कि नहीं मैं इसके साथ सिर्फ इतना ही बताएगा, मैं इसको इतना ही बताएगा. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. But you know where you have to speak, you speak at that point of time.
Yeah.
That's it. You go for that. So I feel like, and about judgments, it's a tough gig, I'll tell you. To get rid of yourself of what people say, especially your loved ones. Because कभी कभी तो घर वाली मतलब कभी कभी जो सुना देते हैं ना, वो इतना लगता है, बाहर वाले छोड़ देता हूँ मैं. Maybe I will not care. But जब घर वालों के साथ होता है, because you know how the Indian households are, right? Like if you talk about Asia in totality, or maybe I'll speak about India only. Like sometimes we are rough to our own people at home, man. We have to give it to them. We are very rough to certain people of our own homes.
I
Yeah.
know. I hear you. I hear you. And I'm hearing from both sides, you know, in terms of being rough and in terms of taking it all on
Yeah.
me as well. So I know. I mean, it's a very cultural thing
Yeah.
where we also, and और हम वो किस कॉस्ट पे करते हैं, वो हम ये कहते हैं कि यार एटलीस्ट हम तो इसको ऐसे समझा के
Yes,
रखें,
exactly.
नहीं तो इसको बहुत रूट शॉक मिलेगा लाइफ से,
Exactly.
लोगों से.
I love that intention, by the way, just saying. When you talk about hard parenting per se,
Yeah.
when I think about my parents,
Yeah.
they were hard on me because I was first child. First child is always experimental, guys, by the way. Sorry for the first
Yes.
children.
I'm
My-
also an elder one.
yeah,
I know
second
exactly.
child.
Second child is
Easy
like a
going.
breeze.
The first child goes through some things, okay? So let's just be like,
No,
get
no,
that straight
it's
out.
Like, it's a
Right?
joke. It's a joke that they say. कि फर्स्ट चाइल्ड को हमने फुटबॉल भी सिखाई, पियानो भी सिखाया, ड्रम्स भी सिखाया, इंग्लिश की क्लासेस भी लगाई, मैथ्स की क्लासेस भी लगाई. सेकंड चाइल्ड को हमने कहा बेटा तू कुछ जो बनना है तो बन जाना.
And then the first child goes, what is this? What is this happening? Why is the world so unfair? But yes, I do get my parents now better, to be honest, because of this.
Yeah.
Because I do understand when they were hard. See, now my parents are my best friends. Now we have come to a point where, you know what, I can have, like, you know, maybe share a drink with them and all, like, you know, that kind of friendliness. All good, chill. But the thing is, when they were hard on me, they were hard, right? First child, they were also learning to be parents by like, that
Exactly.
time.
Exactly.
This I've understood after a lot of anxiety.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Because I also, of course, होता है ना, like आता है, like I'll hate my parents. This is a phase every child goes through. A mom, dad are the worst enemies in your life.
Yes, yes.
But when you come out of that,
Yeah.
that at that time, a lot of your own judgments, everything has to come off your chest.
Yeah, yeah.
This is where I feel, to be honest, when I heard people speak on podcasts about parenting, about actually understanding the intention behind the
Yeah,
action.
Yeah.
then only you understand that chalo theek hai, then you can heal
Yeah.
somewhere.
Discount it also. Like,
Yeah,
keep discounting
then you
it
understand,
and
okay, yeah,
redeem it.
they
and
did it,
discount.
they were also learning,
Yeah.
and I believe, you know what, they were hard on me, but the intention sahi tha. From their place I understand that. This level of understanding is a very stage wise understanding. It is not a one shot go कि आप समझ जाओगे, बट वही मतलब इसके लिए टाइम लगता है,
इसके लिए टाइम लगता
टाइम
है,
लगता है
और इसमें एक और लेवल अप होती है अंडरस्टैंडिंग की जब आप खुद पेरेंट बनते
Yeah,
हैं.
yeah, yeah, I am.
For me it's like an
Yes.
eye opening experience,
Yes.
you know, going through the parenting journey, and also now doing another podcast on
Yeah.
motherhood.
Yes.
What I'm understanding is that you're not born to do this,
Yeah,
yet you
yeah,
do
yeah,
this.
yeah.
You're not trained to do this,
Yeah.
yet you do this.
Mm.
And you will get away, and that getaway will come from your own guided intuition, when you will collectively, with all the experiences that you have gained, what you're looking around, and then take an internal feedback always, that what is right, what is wrong, what is good, what is bad, what is my intention, why am I doing this, why didn't I do that, why did I choose this.
Exactly.
When you keep doing that scrutiny
Yeah.
internally,
Introspection,
Yeah.
constant.
yeah,
Constant introspection, constantly.
That is when you will start hitting it, you know, you will start getting it कि अच्छा तो इसलिए मेरे पेरेंट्स ने जब वो किया था back
उसका
then,
मतलब ये
उसका
था.
वो जब थप्पड़
Yeah.
पड़ा था
I remember those
उसका
days.
मतलब embarrassment नहीं था, उसका मतलब था कि होश में आ जाओ,
होश
you
में आ
know,
जाओ.
get into your senses.
It's
as
like
to what
it's like the
you're
thing is this. I'll
doing.
tell you how introspection worked for me in a very beautiful way. I was very angry. I had a temper issue back then. Pre 23. क्या होता था कि होता है ना, like when you grow up in a certain way, you have a like for me it worked like that. You know, I used to rage out, scream.
Yeah.
The last time I screamed was 7 years ago now. Like, I don't scream anymore. Because I just know, because when I got screamed at
Yeah.
by somebody who was not at home, it felt horrible. Then I understood that 7 years back, 6 years, 7 years back, I shouted at my mom one day. Because of an altercation. And
Yeah.
of course, I was wrong. She was parenting me. But वही ना, मानना किसको है? मानना तो मेरे को है नहीं. I screamed at my mom. And I saw my mom cry. That was the day I gave up, like legit gave up on speaking beyond a certain tone.
Certain tone.
I
Yeah.
don't. I just don't. No matter what.
Yeah.
Now people will
To
say
anyone.
Nobody.
Nobody.
Zilch. That is zero negotiation for me. Now people will say sometimes you need it. No, you don't. For me, it doesn't. You can say anything. I believe you can say anything to anybody at the right tone. The information will still get passed.
Correct.
Because when you shout, you take the respect out of the conversation right then when you shout at somebody. I introspected my anger a lot. I introspected about that particular scenario hell lot with my mother. That when I screamed at her and she went and she cried. And that has replayed like anything
Yeah.
as an internal conversation in
yeah,
my
yeah,
head.
yeah.
It felt so bad. It got into a life where I just don't go beyond a certain point with
Correct.
somebody. I'll stop talking. It's better.
Yeah.
I'll stop. I'll be like, you come back. Let's take a break here. It's not getting heated up. Let's come back. You take your time.
Yeah.
Take an hour. I'll take an hour. We'll come back. I won't shout. I'm not getting into a verbal fight with you. So these
So
are
a lot
it's
of
a lot-
learnings,
it's
yeah,
a lot
yeah.
of like
and it's a constant
Constant. It's-
pursuit. I mean, it doesn't stop here. The show is not going to stop here. The
Yeah,
conversations
it's not
won't
gonna
stop
stop
here. There are no conclusions. Everybody has their own thing to
Yeah.
take back from this
Yeah.
show. I think what we really set out here to do today
Yeah.
was have a very heart-to-heart, intentional, and meaningful conversation.
at least. Yeah.
Unbounded,
Yeah.
absolutely caring for each
Yeah.
other's emotions, respecting
Yeah.
each part of our real inner self, and whatever we wanted to, we just spoke it out.
Yeah,
Isn't
I
it?
mean, I like the fact that at last, I did not do an introduction. At last, I could say a lot of the things which
Yeah.
I,
Really wanted.
like say I do this thing. I sometimes put the things I want to say through a question to my guests.
Huh.
I do that.
Yeah.
That I place my own
Yes.
idea on the
Yes.
top, and then you
Yes.
frame into a question at the end.
Correct.
I didn't have to do that because that
Yeah.
takes a lot of work.
Yeah.
I am very happy that we could do this collaboration because it's been a long time since I've been on the seat to feel like how it feels to be a guest.
Yes.
Also, in a way. Although I know we are not
Yeah.
exactly guest,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
thoda aisa lagta hai na, to it has been a very good conversation in terms of feel like, at least like if we if we speak about impact,
Yeah.
I just feel like if there is any one thing I would like to take people to take away from this, any
Yeah.
one thing, because of course
Yeah.
you can take away a lot if you hear the whole episode, but only one thing is that, man, number one, you speak in the right tone and give some time to a conversation. At least give 15 minutes to a conversation.
Yeah.
Don't try to always come to a solution in the first 5 minutes.
Yeah. Totally.
Because it might work, of course it might work, but you leave a lot of room for assumptions when you try to end something in the first 5 minutes. Be it anywhere. So just try to, maybe just take a bit of time, maybe 15 minutes. That's not much.
Yeah.
But just try to ask more and get rid of the assumptions so you can work on a more, work with more clarity.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's a beautiful sum up. For me personally, this podcast and everything that you are doing, what I am doing independently in our
Yeah.
lives and zones, I would just want to say one sweet little thing, that stay invested, stay intentional. This is your life. If you will not make time for your own self,
Yeah.
for your own thoughts, for deliberation, for introspection, for self-talk, for self-improvement, or you would not do that with your own loved ones, then who will do it?
Right.
So stay there, hang in there. Things do get out of order. Things do get out of line.
they do.
These are all phases of life that have to be lived with, that have to be tied over together sometimes, alone sometimes. Let's just keep going. One step, one thought, one conversation at a time. It's been a beautiful experience having you here. Thank you so much.
It was amazing. It was just heartfelt. It was very good. Thank you so much for having me as well.
Thank you so
I am
much.
so glad to be doing my first collaboration with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Likewise. And let's keep unbounding together. Let's
Thank
say
you
it
so much.
together. Let's keep unbounding together.
Thank you.